Hello, my name is Lenka.
And my name is Ole, and today we are doing the video report and show you around our boat.
Yeah, we want to do like a little room tour of our cabins. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, now we're in the Green Mile and we will show you the first room.
Okay. This is cabin 7. This is where I live, and you can come in. We live here with 6 people, two beds, and in the corner over there. And the most important thing in these rooms are spaces to put clothes and something like that. Clothes are in these big pots under the beds, and the random stuff are mostly in these shoe organizers. And now you see some very creative ways to put these things up.
From 1 to 10, how great do you think this room is?
9.5.
Ah. Hello, and now we're doing the room 6, and that's the room where our great cameraman lives. Hi. Welcome. So that's a very pretty cabin. I like these organizers, and that's the very pretty thing here where the shoes hang. So here are the bunks, and a lot of pictures from their family. So, Falk and Friedrich, how do you think your room is?
I think
It's a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it's very pretty, and I like the big space, and the lines up there are very good to hang stuff up.
The people are the best ones.
Yeah.
Cool. So, and now we are going to my room. Welcome, this is the best cabin on board, 9. When you come in, there are a lot of fairy lights. So, that's the bunk where Anna lives. That's my bunk, very pretty. And that's where Liane lives. Here lives Grit, and up there lives Rosalie, and underneath Lou. Yeah, and we have a lot of fairy lights. It's very pretty. And the creative thing of this cabin is this little pink thing, and I love it. By the way, almost every room has a toilet, their own bathroom. So, welcome. That's the little bathroom of cabin 9. So we have a little tiny toilet, and there's a shower, and this very cute Waschbecken. Sink.
Really cozy room from 1 to 10.
For sure, 10 out of 10.
Right across the Green Mile is cabin 8. 2 seconds ago they put all their clothes over there. So this is not really how the room looks like. And yeah, maybe you could see the bathroom. So they really cleaned up like 10 seconds ago, or tried to clean up. So let's get out of here really quick.
So let's go to the next room. And that's cabin 10, the most luxury cabin on board. That's Emma, and that's her cabin. There are only 4 people, and here the first bed. Hello. The second, the third, and the fourth. And they have a lot of
Extra space.
They have a lot of extra space. They have these, and no one else has it. And they have the most greatest bathroom ever. They have a bathtub. It's not fair. Like, they have a bathtub. We don't have a bathtub. It's very pretty. So, how would you rate your room from 1 to 10?
10.
Okay, this is cabin 11A. So Nele live over there. And what can you say about your crazy room?
We don't have a toilet, and some people say it's not good, but I think it's good because we have so much space.
So that was our room tour. I hope you had fun. Yeah, we had fun.
Yeah. Now you know where we live and how we live with other mates.
Goodbye.
River and valley flow, where them folks put on a show, waggling a wheel with a roll and go. news for you. Tomorrow morning we will leave.